Hey y'all, we're gonna run you through a little bumper work we're gonna do today. I'll bring you over there and let you check it out. But we tore all the stuff off the front of the car, and about sometime last year, our buddy Ed McGlone from Jaguar Karts bent us up a bumper simply from photographs I took with my phone with a tape measure and measuring the kick. And all this stuff. And look at it, guys. He's in Georgia. I'm in Detroit. That's a pretty darn good replication right there with just clicking a few pictures and giving him some measurements. So kudos to Ed. Ed's the man. He builds the go-karts down there in Georgia, and he makes some trick bumpers too. So anything you need, I'll put the contact info in the description below. You need a rear bumper, nerf bars. Heck, you want him to build you a go-kart, man, he can do that for you too. Anything you need, he can do it. Ed's the man. As you can see, we've got 4 points. This one, and then there were the 2 pinch mounts here that hold the bodywork on, right? That are all mounted to the bumper. So they're going to help us locate how high and all that stuff, so we don't have to make new mounts to hold the nose cone on, right? I think to keep us in check, what I did is I made a little template, kind of like this one. This one's actually a little too small. This is the one that we needed to fit between the 1/8" tube on the bottom and underneath the 3/4 inch upper bumper that we got now. And I went ahead and laid that stuff out on here. We'll cut the 3/4 inch ends in this tube here, and then we'll use the template again to get the right distance down to the 1 1/8" tube here. And we'll cut those, and then we'll go ahead and whack this all off, clean it all up, tune it up a little bit. We're not going to paint the bumper or the uprights. I think what I'm going to do with my old cart, as you can see here, with this one, we've got the heim joints here, and it keeps the bumper from becoming a torsion bar. So we went even further with the old RPM chassis that we built ourselves. We put heim joints here as well. So the whole bumper was removable for one, but it didn't allow for any tuning or preloading of the front axle or the front end of the cart. So we may do that because it's going to make the mounting and setting it all up all that much easier. So we may end up doing that too. But that's it for now. We'll bring you some more bumper action and results of the doctor's visit today. Obviously, I decided to go ahead and put a bumper on, so things went pretty well. But we'll save that for another video. That's it. Live from RPM Studios in Roseville, Michigan. Love y'all. We're praying for you. See ya.